Hi everyone, Peter from Chill Emporium here. So on this video we're going to make a confetti cannon. So you're going to start off by getting your bits. You're going to need a pair of scissors, but be careful because they're sharp, the balloon, cup and your tissue paper. So you're going to start off by getting your cup, stab the bottom, be very careful, and then cut out the bottom. And then you can just rip out the last bits. Voila! Next, you cut off the end of the balloon. And then we're going to wrap the balloon over the top. So just spread it out with your fingers. Place it over. So it's like that. And then you're going to need to tie a knot in there. Just tie a knot in that as well. So next step is you want to cut up all your tissue paper, or a bit of it anyway, you don't need loads. I've done mine, I've just ripped mine up. So you plonk a chunk in, and then this is the fun bit. All done!